The last year has been so unusual. With lockdowns and stay-at-home orders throughout the world, businesses were forced to send their staff home to work. For some, it was great. For others, it was lonely, stressful, and frustrating. We did what we had to keep our families and our communities safe. Because travel and face-to-face meetings in so many industries could no longer occur, we turned to technology, Zoom, Teams, GoToMeeting, Google Meet, and so forth. Our work colleagues got insights into our personal lives. They got to see our homes, our pets, and in some instances, our children and partners. As we step back into a new world, the challenge for organisations and their teams is finding ways to make everyone feel comfortable, connected, supported, safe and engaged. Because when we feel this way, we're happy and as a result, more productive. The best way to do this is by providing regular opportunities for you and your team to share, grow and build their capability with technology, learning new things, sharing ideas and collaborating to solve each other's challenges. Hi, I'm Donna Hanson and I'm passionate about helping organisations and their teams lead a life of productivity, contribution and connection with everyday technology instead of a life of busyness, distraction and longing. For the past 24 years, I've worked with global brands, national companies, local, state and federal government and small businesses to help them truly leverage the potential of the technology they use every day. I'd love to be the catalyst to a new approach to skill and talent development with technology in your business. To find out how I can help, schedule a discovery call with me. Let's start a conversation and explore how I can help. You have nothing to lose, but everything to gain.